It is nice to dress up. I think over on the right side is where you get tickets to enter. Get some nice pictures without even entering. There you go. You're wearing a handbook and then without it. Super easy with the automated ticket machine. Pushed a couple buttons, paid my 3,000 won, which is like $2 hardly. It's quite the deal for admission. It's a nice Sunday afternoon. I am in. Lots of people dressed up. Wow. Oh, it's 6 miles, so walk 6 miles to get here. It's almost 10 kilometers about what I ran this morning at the running race.
복장을 지금 5개월짜리야. 자, 우리 팀인데 열심히 찾아왔지만 우리나라에
I do remember being here several years ago and just a few people were dressed up, and now I'd say the majority are. I'm feeling a little out of place in plain clothes. Walk away from the very central part and see pretty ponds and other areas that are nice to walk around. So, this place has been turned into just a huge photo studio, which is kind of cool. So quiet and away from all the big city noises and traffic. Feels like you're way out of the city, especially when you can see the mountains so close. Signs, everything's well marked. Since it covers such a big area, a lot of people can be here and still be spread out. Only just like in that library was very congested. Lots of space for other people today. Enjoy the beautiful Sunday, sunny day. So besides the main entranceway I came in, there's lots of side entrances in the back on each side, and also exits too. So be careful, don't exit, you can't come back in unless you buy another ticket. much less busy area over here. The construction area there, and this is a big nature area. It seems to say this is on the west side. I don't know if it's because it's Sunday later in the day, but a lot of these buildings are closed. I remember being open on previous visits. I'm wandering around, trying to give you a visual of what it looks like on a busy Sunday in May, a sunny day. So it's well worth coming here, especially it only costs you about $2 US, a little over 3,001. Alright, I think that's going to be a wrap for today. Thanks for watching. Dean Trips, Seoul, Korea. It's Dean from Dean Trips and Seoul, Korea today. I'm just gonna wander around the city, maybe end up at the main big palace. That's probably where I will end up, but I'm just gonna walk around and explore some neighborhoods and show you around some back streets. And it's a Sunday afternoon, so probably a little quieter than normal. It's middle of May 2025. Low 70s Fahrenheit, or around 21, 22 for the high in Celsius. This could happen a lot today. Coming right into dead ends. To turn around. My way to a much busier street. Just gotta keep walking, keep discovering. Seeing lots of sculptures on the street. This is the main thoroughfare. It seems coming right through, right into downtown. So chances with the cars stopping. But lots of 7-Elevens and a lot of the corners. Starbucks. The second Starbucks within a couple of blocks. Tall modern buildings. good. Good. Alright. Poke bowl was good. Classic salmon poke bowl. And good to go now. Continue on. Following this main street, and it's always looking more interesting to the side streets. But now there's no more sidewalk. We're just walking on the side road. It's like a big intersection here. It's really nice to put a shade in the sunny corner so you don't have to stand in the sun to wait for the light to change. I like it. So basically this walk is just kind of showing the modern city of Seoul. I mean the busy street. The side streets are much more interesting, but unfortunately I didn't take the time to go to on the side street. So I'm gonna get to the more historical places pretty soon. Probably will start the video with the historical places. It's going to be more interesting to see, and then if you want to see like what's the city look like, walk from one side of the city to the other, then check out the section that I'm showing the way walking across the city, coming to the City Hall metro stop. So I guess this would be like the center part of Seoul. Definitely busier here. This is the tourist area. It's nice. That is another video, another day. Going to that palace. But I'm heading for the big main one, and I would be pronouncing these palaces if I could be looking at the words and trying to phonetically say them to you, but it's better just to write them. So much busier on the street now, entering the third between this palace and the big one. Whatever this big gathering was, all the chairs being stacked up, tents taken down. So I missed whatever this was. Come by subway, this would be the view out of the subway station. Almost there. Alright, I just arrived in Seoul, South Korea. Just got registered to do a 10K. It starts in like 2 minutes, so I better really change faster. I'm just gonna throw the shirt over my shirt, I think. Put the number on it. 5K, gotta figure this all out where I go. Yeah, let's see how it goes. 10K in Seoul. Dean Trips running a running race here. Did it at 42:49 on my watch. And trip time it'll be under 43. Alright. Yeah. Fun atmosphere, thousands of runners. Remember, I got the last 10K number. What number is that? 15, 13, 353. Got 5K finishes, 10K finishes, and not too long before the first half.